The overall goal of this intervention is to demonstrate the feasibility of commercially available wearable physiological monitoring technology in a non-laboratory setting, to evaluate the effectiveness of intentional rhythmic breathing techniques and a guided relaxation body scan.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of human performance, such as how breathing and meditation techniques may play a role in preserving compensatory mechanisms to optimize physiological function. The main advantage of this study is that commercially available wearable devices can be utilized to collect physiological data in a non-laboratory setting.
The implications of these techniques extend from patients with chronic diseases to healthy individuals interested in optimizing physical and cognitive performance, as these techniques have shown to balance the autonomic nervous system.
I have been practicing rhythmic breathing for 40 years, and with today's technology, we can now study its underlying physiology. Demonstrating the techniques will be Dr. Robert Carter from UT Health.
After taking baseline measurements, teaching breathing and relaxing techniques, and completing endpoint visits with selected participants according to the text protocol, set up an EEG control panel that allows the user to monitor the status and features of the headset EEG, including facial expressions and emotions. Before starting the recording of EEG data, switch on the EEG headset and ensure that the battery is fully charged. In preparation